One of the great things about taking this class is that there are a ton of hands-on exercises in this class. But not only that, there are also solutions to the hands-on exercises. Because what good's an exercise if you can't solve it and there's nobody to show you how to solve it? So you get the hands-on exercise and then you're going to get the solution to that exercise. It's going to be a video. I'm going to show you how I solved that hands-on exercise. So that's really going to give you the most critical, one of the most critical and essential elements and aspects for learning a language or learning anything, which is to actually get out there and use it. You could talk about people riding bikes all day long. You could watch videos about people riding bikes all day long. But until you get out there and get on that bike and start riding it and have somebody tell you, hey, do a little more of this or a little bit more of that, or, you know, before you get that, you're not actually going to learn how to ride a bike. And it's the same way with coding. So in this class, we've got a ton of great hands-on exercises with the solutions, which are totally going to help you learn the language. And that's one of the things that sets this course apart from many other courses that are out there. Most of the classes that I take online, I still take classes online, it's like I watch the entire course, it's amazing, I understand all of it, and I get to the end of it and I know none of it. It's like, well, I'm glad that person knew how to do all that stuff that well that I just watched, but now how do I do it? And so then I have to sit down on my own and start working the material. In this class, what makes this class different is we've got those sections of hands-on exercises built into the course, so you actually get to get on the bike and start riding it and start learning it by doing it. So that's one of the great things about this class, and that's one of the great things that distinguishes my courses from other courses that you might find elsewhere online. So those hands-on exercises are super valuable. I know you're going to enjoy them, and they're tried, tested, and proven. Other students have loved them. So they're really going to help you learn what you want to learn, which is this new programming language, the Go programming language. So that's one of the extra benefits that you get by taking this class. So click that buy button, come on in and join us. If you have any other questions about the class, take a look at the other videos on this page, like student reviews or the satisfaction guarantee or the Easter egg video. If you want to find the Easter egg on this page, you can take a look at those videos. Otherwise, click that buy button, and I look forward to seeing you in class.